Hi everyone, welcome to my video. Today I am going to make cucumber juice. And cucumber juice are very healthy for you. So I have lots of cucumber. My neighbors next door, he grew cucumber and his cucumbers start growing early and he gave us cucumbers a lot. Today he gave us like 5 cucumbers and I'm like, what am I gonna do with all these cucumbers? So I decide I'm gonna make cucumber juice. And the things that I will be putting into my juice today, I think, number one is gonna be cucumber. And I do have a piece of ginger, lemon, and I do have some mint that I picked from my garden. I also will be using some cayenne pepper and some salt, Himalayan salt. And so this is how I'm gonna do my cucumber. I'm gonna cut it up, put these over there, away from me. And I do have my knife, and I'm gonna leave the skin on. I'm not gonna get the skin off. So I'm gonna dice it up small because I am going to put it into the blender today. So like a 1/4 inch thick, I guess. It's a good way of doing that. A little bowl, a little thing right here. I'm gonna use this big one. This is a big cucumber. Peel off the top. I already washed them, so they are nice and clean. So have you guys ever made cucumber juice? You can make cucumber juice with lots of different, make it different flavor. You can add watermelon, pineapple, celery. You can add it to your cucumber and make delicious juice. I know back in the summertime, a long time ago, I haven't really made cucumber juice, but I know in the past when I did make cucumber juice, it was really refreshing, especially in the summertime. Whew. When it's cold and refreshing. I know I'm gonna make a lot today. And I mean, you wanna probably just keep it for like in the fridge for like a day or two. You don't want it to be like sitting there for a long time. I mean, these homegrown tomatoes, these homegrown cucumber are so delicious. I'm like, there's so much flavor. You could just wash it and eat it. It's firm and it's very flavorful. So it's very nice to grow your own stuff, because you know how you grow it. So that's my cucumber. And this is, I'm gonna blend it. So I'm gonna add it to my blender. I'm gonna add some, I'm gonna cut up some ginger, piece of ginger, just a little piece of ginger, because I do like a lot of ginger, but I know a lot of people doesn't like ginger, but ginger make everything taste good to me. So put ginger in there. I do have some mint that I got from my garden. I picked like couple leaves off of it, and I'm gonna, mint smells so refreshing. I'm gonna put it in my, put it there. I'm gonna add a little bit of cayenne pepper to it to let it spicy. Yeah, I like it spicy. And I have my lemon already washed and clean. I'm gonna get a little zest of the lemon. And you could put lime in there too. But today, I do only have, lemon, so I'm gonna put lemon. So I don't want a lot of zest in there because I'm gonna put the juice from the lemon in there also. So just a little. Just a little bit of lemon, I'm gonna put it in here. I mean the lemon zest. And I'm gonna add my water. I'm gonna have a couple cups of water. I'm gonna add 3 cups of water. And now I'm gonna put my juice in there. I'm gonna put my lemon. I'm gonna juice my lemon. Oops. Okay. A little bit of salt, just a little, not much. I'm gonna cover it. And I'm gonna put there. So guys, I blend that out, and now I'm gonna strain it. Move this over to the side. I'm gonna pour the mixture into this. We'll have a little strainer here. There's my mixture. It's gonna take a little bit to go through. I could smell it. It smells so good. With the lemon and the ginger and the mint, it is so delicious. I know it's gonna take a little while, so I'm gonna use a bigger strainer, bigger one here. It's gonna go much faster. And thank you for watching my video. I really appreciate you guys. All of my subscribers and my followers, the ones that share it, make comments, and um, subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate it. And thank you from the bottom of my heart. And I can't wait to show you a lot more videos, like healthy videos, Bible scriptures, funny things. Thank you. I'm gonna taste it to see if I need to put any, um, like any sugar or anything. We don't really use a lot of sugar here, but for some things, a little honey in there. So that's the leftover. And I'm gonna test it. And I could strain it again, but it is good. It's not cold. So put it in the bottle. And again, you can add, if you want to, you can add sugar to it, or um, honey probably is good to add to it. Right now, I'm not gonna add anything in there because my husband doesn't like a lot of sweet stuff. So, you know, so you can add whatever you want. And I have these bottles here. I love these bottles. These are actually some olives, because we eat a lot of olives. And we have all these bottles, and I save them and I pour my mixture or whatever I have in there. So these are my cucumber juice. Ice to it. Pour it in there. Cheers. Again, thank you for watching this video. I appreciate it a lot. And please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. Oh, it's very healthy for you. I could probably pretty much put it in one thing. Cucumber, healthy cucumber juice. Mm.